Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones JBL Quantum 360X with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, or if you haven't it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Now go to the settings, and then at your right ear cup we have this power slider. So slide up to turn on it, and now we can see this white LED light, so it's turned on, and then slide up again and hold. So slide up and hold, and now it starts blinking blue. So we can see it at the device list. Just click connect, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!